Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Glassdoor login issues. Account recovery step by step clearly. Open the Glassdoor app or go to Glassdoor.com using a stable internet connection. Check that your phone or computer date and time are set to automatic to avoid security errors. Make sure you are using the correct sign-in method, such as email, Google, Apple, or Facebook. If you normally use Google or Apple, tap that same button instead of typing an email and password. If you use email and password, carefully retype your email address with no spaces. Check that caps lock is off and type your password slowly, character by character. If you see an error, refresh the page or fully close and reopen the app. On a browser, clear cache and cookies for Glassdoor to remove corrupted login data. Try logging in using an incognito or private window to bypass saved session problems. If you forgot your password, click or tap Forgot Password on the login screen. Enter the email address you used when creating your Glassdoor account. Open your email inbox and look for the password reset message from Glassdoor. Check spam, junk, promotions, and updates folders if you do not see the email. If the email still does not arrive, wait a few minutes and request the reset again once. Open the reset link and create a strong new password that you have not used before. Return to the login page and sign in using your email and the new password. If your account is locked due to too many attempts, stop trying for 15 to 30 minutes. After waiting, try again with the correct password or use the reset link if unsure. If you get a wrong email problem, search your inbox for past Glassdoor emails to confirm the correct address. If you change jobs or schools, you may have registered with a different email than you remember. If you cannot access your email account, recover that email first through your email provider's recovery page. If you see a verification request, complete the code or link verification to confirm it is you. If two-factor authentication is enabled, use your Authenticator app or backup codes. On the mobile app, update Glassdoor to the latest version from the App Store or Google Play. On a browser, try a different browser or device to rule out local settings issues. Disable VPN or adblock extensions temporarily if they interfere with the login page. If Google or Apple sign-in fails, sign out of that provider account and sign back in, then retry. If nothing works, go to Glassdoor Help Center and submit a support request with your account email and screenshots of the error. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.